Ngivula ngemhlala yenza mina.
Ngithi mina ngixoxele ngibona umasipala lapha so there's a chance ukuthi bangasifikela. Uyibonile?
Kuphi?
Lapha masingena.
Kuphi lapho?
Bame ngala egarage leyo ngathi lakudala so.
Kuphi?
La mangena la gate la yini lesikuphi la Linville kigayemo. Yeah, bakhona lapha.
Bafunani?
Maria's musu masipala as long as bona bafuna imali zabo. Another day.
Sibuyile weekly updates. Namhlanje yazi siphethe amanye ama-topic anyana wena Shila. Engifuna ke sithi uxoxa ngawo but before sixoxa. Yazi wasuxoxa ngawo ama-topic.
Yeah.
Thina la ubhengisa sakukhuluma. Izinto ezenzeka phambi kwethu bese asikhulumi.
Lapho uneqiniso cabanga njengokuthi mina ngina network ngine 3 weeks ngana network isibiza lenkinga engaka
Networkless.
Like Mamela you can't find me I'm the ghost.
Look, mangithi kunezinto esifuna sikhulume ngazo.
Yeah.
Njengoba ngithi mina siyasaba ukukhuluma la kwibank. Hopefully nabalaleli emakhaya bazosifakazela ba comment. Please don't forget ukuthi ni comment like our page 013 Golden Circle in all the social platforms.
Nakha.
Ngithola ba comment especially ngalezi zinto esizokhuluma ngazo. One, into ebesibhekile mhlawumbe ukuthi esingayibamba namhlanje. The life sentence ebanikeze uPastor Mhlanga nomntwana wakhe of which the wife got 3 years for amputating ne.
Apparently bathi sister in law kanti yini amela amqhazisele la bayenzile la past and apparently is
Zimbabwean born, yes.
Zimbabwean born
Pastor Enoch Mhlanga, not Enoch rather uSolomon Mhlanga ne. Solomon Mhlanga, and then the son is Enoch Mhlanga. Baba sentenced for life. The son and the father.
Isani ngicela umchazele kabusha ukuthi is the son like biologically or just the spiritual son?
According to the sources.
Yeah. Yeah.
Zimbabwean born pastor Solomon Mhlanga and his son Enoch Mhlanga. So mangabe isibongo sami ngokamhlanga umntanami awakamhlanga chaza yini?
So it's biologically.
It's biological. Yeah.
So wait, I saw that they actually arrested them because of a murder case.
Attempted murder.
It's attempted
murder with an additional 3-year term for kidnapping. Now,
no, awusiphe
okay.
Law for umuntu ongayazi ukuthi uchaza like what happened because I saw ukuthi bathi babambe 2024 right?
Babambe upla. Yeah, 27 March 2024.
What was the reason for that case? I don't think I followed.
Mababamba ke elapha ehlalani kahle babambela ikidnapping. Ba kidnap uDumsani Mhlanga. He was
31 years.
He was 31 years, ne? Then ba amputate izandla zakhe ngephanga ehlathini eKromdraai. Bamshiya la bathini lana and leaving him to die after being accused of stealing. Now angazi ukuthi John Chen D wena mawuzwa bathi John Chen
I'm not sure. Izandla
zona zithethe.
Yeah, so apparently ibhlungu le but for mina look ne uPastor Mhlanga indodana nonkosikazi manje sebabhekene nempilo ejele baceda ukuba sentence manje.
Oh, is it the ones? Okay, yeah, ngathi ngiyakhumbula baba sentence la high court ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
So bebaphila impilo yabo kahle like the ordinary pastor nonkosikazi nondodana in kwafika umuntu wazojotshwa. Umfundisi wathatha ukufundiswa kubekele eqeleni.
But also we need to understand that is a human being, okay?
That is, yes.
We can't justify the fact that he's a pastor now he has to forgive and whatnot.
Okay, when do you think it's fair?
I don't think the life sentencing was fair because let me be honest, we can't take away the fact that he's a human being. You understand? Though we're not sure what he stole, because we're not clarified about that.
Yeah.
We're not sure what he stole, that would trigger him to be where he is. Because at the end of the day, we must understand that justice as South Africa also is not justice.
Yeah.
You understand? It might be that what he stole is actually precious to them.
Yeah.
I think also, Amajaji, they need to look at the fact that what was the reason for this person to come and steal? And also, guys, let's be mindful of the fact that there might be, like, it might be there's a pistol there, there's certain things that kube nathi zisifake engxakini, or maybe uthemazo jonja kwatheleka something kwafa umfazi. There's some certain
No,
things
but-
that
but
we need
yeah,
to look
okay,
at.
fine,
Like,
fine.
I'm trying to understand the fact that why babanikeze life sentence.
Exactly. Nami ngifuna
Yeah.
ukusho njalo ukuthi okay.
Like, what is the reason?
Umahlangu usuke la suka khona.
Yeah.
Waye esontweni lakamhlanga mangabe utshontshe esontweni lakamhlanga ufike wathatha whatever ethathayo ngebhadi lakhe bambamba mabambamba ngebhadi lakhe futhi kwathiwa sigamuleni lezandla ezitshontshayo ne so now usuke la suka khona wayobasukela
My point exactly.
angisho
Yes.
suke la suka khona wayobasukela
And what if umfana utshontshe again kusami?
yeah mara esana yena ngabazange asuke la because now you see mina into engiyibonayo futhi somehow I'm like life is not fair because now who is the victim in everything in all of this
I'm not gonna lie, ne? The pastor was actually a victim with his sons and whatnot. Because okay, sharp. So it is said ukuthi batshontshile and then bambambe asayenza the shandis or in.
ngeke sazi phela yasikufundele lana
Yeah.
but in Anna, the court heard how Mahlangu was beaten inside and outside the church premises before heading to Kromdraai. Popi Mhlanga suggested that the victim be tied up so that he doesn't escape. Enoch held the victim's hands tight against the wood while his father Solomon chopped off his right hand first with a panga. Mahlangu begged the pastor not to cut off his second hand, but Mhlanga continued to chop off his second hand and watched his hand moving on the ground. Yeah, moving on the ground.
Yes, you know, there's this thing in law that says, are you like, usually ngibona kuma court like mabukela lezinto, they would ask ukuthi was he remorseful, was that. But now my question is, sentenza to life for a person who came and stole. So when umchazela ukuthi instead of like any into porang in South Africa, abutsotsi bayovele bathi no utshontshe iTV simnikeza 3 years. You understand? And then these were people in defense of why would you do that? So we'll cut you the thing that is actually making you to take.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then the next thing was only life. Like, I'm just trying to understand ukuthi, where does the life part come in? Because these people were not trying to steal or kill him. They were just saying logo bokutshontsha ngako, so let's remove it. I'm not justifying indaba yokuthi they did it. Amani enga nayo.
Bona into bekufanele bayenze yes nak sharp usitshontshele and stuff babiza amaphoyisa. That's the noble thing that they could have done.
And then iphoyisa lenza guys asibeen honest.
Mara uthatha you see nabo bazifaka enkingeni uthatha umthetho ubeke ezandleni zakho. Khona manje impilo yakho seyimile. You know what the prosecution said?
Okay.
The prosecution said, the state prosecutor said that umfundisi no done. They gave Mahlangu a life sentence when they chopped off his hands. If they gave Mahlangu a life sentence by depending on other people, they also have to get life imprisonment. They took Mahlangu's life and we are taking theirs according to his society. According to his society. So ngokumthathela kwakhe ngokuthi bamthathele lezandla fana nokuthi bathethe impilo yakhe because now he's going to be dependent on people. Okay, like yeah.
May I have a question with you? If you guys are part of the pastors in the congregation, how would you feel attending the church?
Mina ngizoya esontweni. Shuthi umfundisi wami nami angangiseka makungaba lento ezisnacks. Angizoya baba.
Uzoya esontweni noma umfundisi agamulele izandla.
Yabona, I'd rather have a pastor who I know that he's living life that I would do. I would do the same if Mnozongjonjela and you're taking a precious. Let's be honest, we've been realistic. Singayenza ngathi manje ini nanani. I would actually accept a pastor engibona ukuthi wena at least iflesh yakho nayo ngeqiniso liyasebenza than upastor uzo actor hold phambi kwami besazothi buzonikela mele ngikhiphe 10,000 in nanani. No mara yena into ayenzile shemcabanga. Angithi i-right mara angithi ukuthi i-wrong yena bekumele ayishaye
ube vigilante
no lapha beka umuntu lapha beka lo muntu engithi yabona wena upastor wami at least I know where he stands and I hope ne preaching yakhe yasho ukuthi mabakunikeza u-right impama letha u-left and ukuthi umletha kanjani sekuku na uyilethi i-left yakhe
okay
but life sentencing was
asisithathe sisifana
awona ngeke uyazi iBhayibheli uphelela lapha
i-left yakho umnike njani because uthi umfundisi bamshaye ngapha bemele athi bruthatha ngapha futhi but then ngiphinde ngivumelana nawe futhi because ungumfundisi and iBhayibheli lithi if isitho somzimba problem sisuse so kusho ukuthi umfundisi
understand le
yeah mara ke asiphile ezweni leBhayibheli asiphile ezweni okay fine grand sharp siyalifunda iBhayibheli but the laws that were applied back then ngesikhathi samaBhayibheli not now
then again ngicocele shuthi mawuthi asiphile ezini leBhayibheli awudingeke ukuthatha uJesu
umfundisi ube yini ube vigilante and vigilantism
when ufuna understand into ukuthi wena ustanda kiyo and nami ngistanda la ngithi
mina I'm not
umfundisi who act according to the Bible vision wena ufuna si act according to iLord
hawa mina ngilike ngibabheka boyithu ne angisayidi nalo oganyula izandla angisayidi nomfundisi mina ngifuna sikhuluma indaba
yena ngiunderstand umfundisi beka wrong but beka right
beka wrong beka right
yeah
ngiyacabanga nama comment ngifuna nama comment angene asho ukuthi umfundisi was wrong was he right lo tshontsile vele
beka wrong akana right
yabona
yeah vele nje wayimosha mhla acabanga ukuthi yena uyotshontsha bese kumfundisi yena yabo mina according to him nanoma ngasazi story sakhe but ngisayida nomfundisi wami bengithi mina bamnikeze nedama Sunday azopreacha uzabuyela phakathi
so now because now umjida umganyulwa izandla sekayi victim
victim njani yabona ilento ngisho ukuthi
now is playing victim uzibonile izithombe zakhe kuma social media
usaphila kanti
yeah
usaphila
izobathi ubumbi incindi waya
kanti bamgamule kuphela lana
zoyi2
nathi le feast
izandla ngisho
mara no ningathi bamthathela impilo yakhe guys we can actually
akusho thina kusho state prosecutor
no mara le prosecutor okay mara ngeke ngisho ngeze athi I judge you for what you say
okay asenze so bheka amenzele example bamba ledlazi ngezandla zakho bamba ledlazi bamba freely like ushila uyangithola buyisela ke ne iba ingini ke
ungakhohlwa sinezichwala eziphila so
ezizalwe ezinjalo
yeah nayo
lo wenza
adjust amsempilweni
yeah uza adjust so yiwo umbuza ke mina ukuthi u right ukuthi abe
asatha impilo sethu izandla sethe lento atshontsha ngayo and usaphila futhi impilo sesokhona
according to the state
but
bamthathela impilo
allegedly beka wrong
shudena yakhe khona ukusayina
no ukusayina kwakhe signature yakhe masibe kukutshontsha usayine kuphi mayotshontsha
I think it's inhuman ukuthi
it's inhuman ne
izandla zakhe regardless of what they do
humanity and what not
it's inhuman ukuthi bamgamla izandla
usho njani umaluphi
it's inhuman ukuthi bamgamla izandla ukutshontsha kwakhe
was very human
no it wasn't but we can now ayilikani labantu
yini engalikani
ayilikani just because okay fine asi regarding indaba ukuthi utshontshile but also where's my reputation umfundisi you understand you're not just a normal person njengathi
so inkinga ukuthi phasi
also congregation
bazalwane ufikile umuntu waganga wasithathela lento bekafuna ukusithatha ngebhathi simbambile
bese ngithi amen bazalwane ninani
izilathi kimi mangigamla izandla
futhi ayizi uJesu because bathi uJesu angisho bathi uJesu
yabona
lokho ku right kakhulu mina ngithi akathathanga impilo yakhe uthethe lento ayisebenzisayo ukwenza into ezirong so he actually saved him from doing the wrong things to continue doing the wrong things.
So
And
wena-
then umfundisi uthatha izandla. And then manje uzobuya athi accept uJesu. Bese baqeda
Uma-accept
uzosebenza
uJesu
so.
njani nezandla ezingekho?
No, uJesu akafuna izandla,
Accepta
ufuna
ngezandla.
wena phela.
Oh no phela letha la lento uma unginikeza ngiyayi-accepta I receive manje yena uyo-receive njani ngezandla
Kanje.
bahamba
Bese lethe. Yabo uzoyenza nehlelo enyenza.
yeah ne
Impilo lento.
it's happening
iwash ne-bracelet izona
Angeziwe chomi bazoyenza kakhulu. Makhona sifake nerege. No yena kamlimazanga.
it's happening you see okay ngisho mhlambe ukuthi because of okay angeke sazi ukuthi uMahlangu wayahamba
Mara life sentencing was actually harsh.
but then
I still say.
yona
And the fact that okay, now my question is fine. Yena lo beka tshontsha because he's accepting ukuthi yebo mina bengitshontsha and then bangikhathi izandla. I-sentence yakhe ithini?
so mina yazi ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ke umjida
Because he also needs to be punished.
yeah yena
Unless he
bampanishile
is
for life
punishing-
akasana zandla bona laba bakamhlanga sebafele ukuthi bamgamle izandla and I'm also quoting again the prosecutor mayithi bamthathele impilo yakhe ngokuthi
Angathi
bathathe
impilo
izandla
kuyaphila lo kanti.
yeah uyaphila but then okay uya toilet
izandla, impilo.
uya toilet ushita bisawubani
Ay labe banganazo bashitwa bisobani. Bashitwa bisobani.
bekashidaba before lo muntu akasakhona ukushidaba
Umuntu
manje
makasuka etoilet aqeda ukushidaba makavula ipompi.
mara mina yazi ngicabanga yabona ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe umjida ngabe mhlambe ke umane wafana nalaba ke noma ibhlungu into yakhona ke wahamba wathola umsebenzi eThailand apply le Thailand
Asalahambe
noma ibhlungu
iqiniso.
lento yalamadulu laba ebavelele laba
Ima
baseThailand
ungena kulaba bathi bebayosebenza bese maqeda basale
yes
babasebenza.
angisho kahle kahle ngizama ukuloka kanje like okay fine kubi la emzansi ngoba whatever siyenza inama consequences mhlambe somehow athanda ukuthi I don't know ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani le ngiyangithola wenza lokhu khona okubi okubhedayo okuvamisa ukuvumbuka like for instance those that are stuck in Thailand ne you know awusebenzi 24/7 uyavuka every day uyampampa la elokushini awazi ukuthi wenzeni kuvela iopportunity and ivela ngomuntu omthembayo kuthe man mamela zwakala ushaya around lana senze into kanje nakanje nakanje ngoba uyamthemba umuntu wakhona uvayo wena eThailand ufike uyosebenza eThailand awusebenze 2-3 days nyana
Imachomi le
viki
yenzeke kosithuba.
no angisho also
Asile
la
family lebe isekhodi ithi umntana ohambile use Thailand angazi bayamfonela unama sinus.
yeah yiyo leyo baze bayikhipha nase TV bathi uyagula kaphilanga kahle umuntu wakhona ngisho unokugula it's not only him apparently like there's 17 yeah
Nawo
17.
babuyaphila abantu la eSouth Africa or la
La
eBank.
Witbank.
17 Witbank.
La Witbank,
Nje
yes.
sikhignetshwe labantu abayi17
there's 17 people from la eMalahleni who are
bebangasebenzi.
Eish. Yeah tisibo amagama ngeke ngiwabize ne but now uyabona there's 17 of the 22 kidnapped victims who are currently stuck in Myanmar.
My question is, are they stuck and the government knows that the people are stuck in Thailand and nothing is being done about it?
Apparently they are doing some things ukuthi babazame ukuthi bababuyise like uma ngicheka somewhere njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyakufonela or ngokuthumela umchafazo yabo ngithi shila mina ngisendaweni kanje
Chaza
ngiyasipana
ifoni ne.
ya ngithumela imessage
Khumbule phela ngompeli.
umupeli
Yeah.
eish
Ngomchafaza message asifuni.
yazi criteria la ne
Yeah.
so siyathi imethod esetshenzisiwe la ukurecruiter labantu ukuthi mhlambe uyabatshela ukuthi lalela nasi span lapha ku digital and telemarketing company eThailand ne uzobhadalwa ibasic salary every month uzothola ne commission mawenza ama sales amo and uzothola accommodation bazokutransport abakwenzele other days yabo so from what we read kuma social media but the basic salary yakhona it's $850 per month
Wow.
which is equal to 14,500
Wena
So-
usebenza emayini wena.
uyangithola yakhumbula njengalento le wakhuluma ngayo wena lapha ngale certificate sakho setafel
Yeah.
yeah azange
Ale genuine job.
yeah i genuine but
Yeah.
the mali obuyenza
Yeah.
ama-yen wakho mawa-converter to South African currency agroda ngisho
Fly.
so leso sikhathi awusebenzi ungulova nangu umuntu uyamazi uzwakala ngaye eThailand uzospana lapha kuboma-telemarketing company wenze
So bahambise umuntu abamaziyo.
yeah like
Ukuploy umuntu.
I think useThailand
Nayo useThailand.
uyarecruiter
Usa-recruiter.
I don't know now uyarecruiter but from the sources here umuntu okhona ubekasebenzisa leyo criteria lezo but ke
But also, yes, sometimes we are so desperate, and I feel like ingqondo yethu nayo iphinde igcine ibaleka. Bahambe ngani labantu? So imali ye-flight babanikezile.
yonke into phela lo muntu makakurecruiter tshela ukuthi uzothola yonke into bakuflyisa
Ngicela ngirecruite tu bese yangithumela le mali.
bayakuflyisa this
Busy ngayo.
kuphi
No, like I said, recruiter asithumele le mali, but asi siba busy ngayo lo.
ubesithatha imali wenzana
Sobona phela shaya plan.
wena lo muntu lo recruiter abantu ufuna ukuthi asithumele leyo
Yeah,
mali
ngitshela ukuthi
wenzani ngayo
ayilethe imali ngizothenga ingxilo.
wena
Mina yazi ngiconcern ngane.
Yeah.
We just need to be so realistic about certain things, right? I think a few months back we had actually a similar problem with the Russian whatnot, where the Russians were trying to recruit young people. I think it was 21 years old to 18 to 22, right? Imagine like they send your trustable influencers and then they say we are looking for people ukuthi bafuna isikolo and umsebenzi will do your skills and whatnot and whatever. And then my sole concern is, you know, when even if a Eskom manje ikhipha iletha it is a recruiter, we want maybe ama employees ukuthi they will work on the ground or whatever. First thing first, you do your due diligence ukuthi is this valid or not, because you must understand ukuthi there are also ama Eskom posters ukuthi uthola bathi SMS your what or do what not in as much as ngithumela nguwe engikuthembayo. At the end of the day, you will have to check ukuthi is this thing valuable, who went there before, who did this. Leyo ukuthi bathi sizoza sinizela ubuhlungu, imagine lento is 2 months apart.
do you think abantu bayenza that
Nayo inkinga. Now they need to also be held reliable ukuthi wena mawuthi umsebenzi usona, can't you just do your research first before you do a certain thing?
Sizothini,
And in the fact that you need to live in South Africa, baba awuye Cape Town.
what it is
I-poverty ne-desperation sometimes izongenza ngingafollow ngaphandle kwe-Thailand nje in general ala emakasi siyazazi lezigandala lezi kuthiwa imayini thizeni izocasha bese lowo muntu loyo siyamtrusta but that person would say give me 200 because I'm desperate and i-poverty vele.
That's my
I won't
thing.
do the research proper but yile nto ngisho nami ukuthi i-poverty ne-desperation bafowethu
Yazi ngifunani. We need to overcome the poverty and desperation moment and imvuliyana guys shuthi lento ngisho iqiniso. So I'm saying I'm saying see, like, we have to understand and accept your situation. This is where I am. Because at the end of the day, we must understand, Nasevenda, they were saying it, the state of doctors, ebakhona and unemployed, ebahleli, baningi. But now, we can use desperation and all that to say, mina ngihleli, and then now, boom, sengifuna eThailand. Baba, ungathi uhlulwa ukulandwa iShoprite uzongitshela ukuthi eThailand izokuthatha. No, honestly, let's be honest. I want experience, I want next. When I book on a flight, you don't even have those qualifications. About at least umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi ngine qualification marketing bangithethe. Ayi lapho ngayivuma.
opportunity masela
no mara
Let's be honest. We need to move from that mindset.
ayishoyo
We need to move from that mindset.
fanele wena self as a
Yes.
person usithathe serious nanoma ungaba desperate kangakanani.
You need
You understand?
to be
Ezinye
so...
zezinto like uzi-check. You see,
Yes.
mina I've got amaphepha now from Eskom. Bese maqeda lapho kufika umuntu ungitshela ngeSpanish so nami knowing very well ukuthi unqualified bese ngiyayenza.
Exactly my point. Uyenza yipi i-marketing uwenze i-tourism esikolweni. Wazi nge-marketing?
But I think wena-ke mangizokukhohlisa-ke mina ngithi zwakala wena Sheila. Uyangithemba musa ngisho. Uyangithemba ngisho.
Kingenithemba kakhulu nakuthemba cabanga.
Yeah, njalo. Uyathemba ngisho. Bese uthi hayi ukhona ukuthi kushuthi ungizela nento legit. Ufike wena mawufika ngala uthola nabo abantu igantsonto zimile ngesibhamu. But then now noma singaba desperate ngaleyo ndlela asizithandi ngaleyo ndlela nayo ukuthi uthathe nanoma ngabe yini.
Exactly my point. Yazi ngikhumbula yabona that's why bengilona umfundisi. I remember one time Pastor Wethu was talking about
Nokuphushe.
Upushir. He was
deeper.
talking about
Go deeper.
stop being a prostitute in reality. Besides, a prostitution, it doesn't mean one is selling their body. Ne? A prostitution meaning you just want to enter konke. Nala kungafune khona wena ufuna ukungena. Yonke into ufaka izandla wena konke ufaka izandla. That's prostitution. Baba uyazazi ukuthi wena wenze i-nursing mara sofuna ukwenza i-marketing. Uyoyenzani ka-marketing? Wazi nge-marketing ngoba niwazi ukujova indule then iphila qhubeka. Ezinye izinto mele sizicabange. We are so very wrong because we are so desperate. Sometimes people should understand that time and chance is given to everyone. Your time will come and your chance will come. But do what you have to do and thrive and do exactly what you are thriving for.
Yeah.
So ufuna into ongangeni giza ungendawo marketing chomi
Okay, sharp. Ngiyayithola ke but ke mhlambe i-desperation ayikazi sibambe ngokufana. Ngithola ayikazi sibambe ngokufana because mhlambe nabo labo abantu abayi-17 if it happens uNkulunkulu ngathi angakwenza lokho babuye sibahlalise phansi sibabuze ukuthi kahle kahle wena yini into ekuyisela.
mina ngicela ukuhlala noyi-one
Ngiyangithola
nokuningi
like they've got valid reasons and we can't say mhlawumbe umuntu makazokutshela something bese umcounter ngenye question okungukuthi awukho nasezinyathelweni zakhe.
no kona
Nami there was a point in time in my life where I was like I'm fed up in South Africa.
you wanna leave, right?
You understand? I
But
want to
also,
leave.
Same thing
Lalela.
with me.
Lalela.
Yes.
There's a friend of mine who stays in Canada. Ngifunda naye Pretoria. You understand? Siyakhuluma. I'm not saying when izinto ezishady. He's working, social media is very present. You understand? So nathi ukuthi yena wakhuluma something. Engathi mangithi ngiyayilalelisisa ngathi hayi ngamanekeke athi ngihlale mina la ngifacane nalenhlupheko esibhekene ngayo la eSouth Africa. Uyasibona isandla sami lesi? Uyasibona ngisho? Samukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi naye. Uyayibona?
Ngimfundisa
Mthetho.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Ngiyayibona
Mthetho. So
lokuthatha
umjida masikhuluma la ku Facebook.
Mara ungasihlalalisela.
Angisho sengenzela ukuthi nithathwe nani.
Banabakaya.
Ngithathwe.
Yazi lengoma bengicula mangene ethi banabakaya. Basadi bakaya. Uyangilibona yini nina senihambile nonke. Okay.
Ngiyaqhubeka mina ne.
Ngiyaqhubeka.
Uyangithola? Wakhuluma into eyiwani nathi engingayizwisisi wathi nathi ukuthi mawuza ngayi yokosele le ring uyishiye South Africa.
Awwa.
Ngithola? Yokosele le ring uyishiye.
As in like lo mthwalo wakho,
le ring
usale
le
ngapha.
uyishiye bese mawufika ngayi wenza
Uzothola
ukuthi uzitholele isipawupete uzokhona ukushada uthola i-citizenship nananana then udivorce lowo muntu loyo then umndeni wakho sowuveza nani lana wazi la ngamanekekwe
Kasesengale.
ngamanekekwe.
No mara ima kancane nchubo. As in like uyoshada ngale uba ne-citizenship.
Nomfazi ngalapha.
Do you understand ukuthi lezi zinto zayenzeka la South Africa?
Exactly. So pheka lo muntu lona makakhuluma ukhuluma ngeconfidence. Wathini
Umngani wakho vele umbiza
Yathi ngiyamkela siyazana.
Nisasamayo.
Namanje neda zange kumtshele mhlambe makayoyibona lento uzusho ukuthi Dim Mompas ukhuluma ngathi ahutisi. Uyangithola?
Mara lu wrong, bongayibona into wrong lapho.
Show you opportunity. Yabona? And because when this time you were not desperate. Yabona?
No, also you're not a prostitute in situations. You can't take anything. Ezinye izinto we need to be so realistic about them. Don't you think ukuthi mina kusip and paint how many years kune email la engenile, right? Uthi ngifunele na chum. Uyifunde uyizwe ukuthi it's so valid inama at untontoni and what not. I hope i-network ishamingivumele ngokusiyami. Nazi nginenkinga eshasha.
Sehlathini la.
Setla into yodwa muzi.
No, uhlala
You know what was
ehlathini.
the email saying ne? So angishabona kuma social media I'm rising and whatnot and whatever, right?
You're rising, yes.
Yeah, vele ngizoba mkhulu one day. So this email was telling me ukuthi they want to use my face as a model what, and then I'm gonna get a lump sum of what euros. Ikuphi email? Mangayidilitha. You understand? It was actually a valid no to look at it and to whatever ne. When you Google a model, don't bakhuluma ngayo, it's actually something that do exist, right? But my concern was he's saying he's a email abazalwane. Yabon influencer view your broad
You
we are excited.
Digital.
Ngiyayithemba ke network yami. But yeah, it was about the Daily News campaign for you to consider to send offers to influential aid what. Like let me be honest. Now on TikTok, when you check about them, it's actually a valid thing, right?
Is it?
Yes, it's
Is
a
it
valid
really
thing.
valid?
Let me give you now what I was trying to say, man, is you can't be a prostitute in everything just because when you got an offer. So Maria with TikTok, they're actually talking about this name, Guti anti-influential or whatnot and whatever model. It's model something, man. Like it has something to do with models. And then when you go to TikTok, it's actually something that is very valid. When you go to Instagram, it's actually something that is very valid. But my thing was, I need to know ukuthi lo muntu lo ngithumelele email, is it the same person osebenza ngalezo zinto lezo? I had to go to Instagram, text them and show them the screenshot which I got something like this. Is this you and whatnot? You understand? In as much as I'm desperate into being whatever because my business needs some eye and whatnot, but you can't be so desperate that you can't just look at the facts. This is a fact regarding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bamphendulile, and they were like, no, this is not us. But we actually looked into your profile. Would love to work with you.
Wow. Bona bama bakuphendula bayakutshela ukuthi
This is not us. Le emailing itolini akusiyibona.
It's
But
scammer.
when they looked at my profile, that's when they actually came back and
It's
said,
scammer.
we want to work with you. That one was a scam.
Yeah.
But now we
So when you
check
went to the
it
source.
at the dot, in a log, to say it's actually true. Ungaze we believe it. Even the email is not those emails of one of
asithi okay mina still what if noma ungenile benze enye indlela nyana yokuthi bazame ukukudosa njengoba usho ukuthi it's actually not them ne but uthola ukuthi kusesiyiwo lama scammer futhi asebenzisa remember labantu laba babathethe bayobaphosela ngalabo ma Thailand
Yeah.
bahlele roomini eli1 babane
Here's how I do my due diligence.
yeah
When you go to TikTok and you check whatever and whatnot, you will
so
see that.
skata bamemanga nasephathini ama TikTokers but she knows much info about it right?
No, bengisashotela 49 people. And when I zero awunayo, mina at least ngishotela 4 I should next year ngaya.
Yeah.
Yoqoka green next year.
Kubeka ishaya
But as I was saying,
Yeah.
Guti, so mostly when I get campaigns and whatnot and whatever, so what I do is I go to TikTok, I check how many people speak about this, right? And then you get in TikTok, as in TikTok in it, nalo and the 2 million followers, they will actually respond to you. You are allowed to ask a question and wait. Life is all about have your waiting period until whatever. If it was meant for you, if it was meant for you, it will always come back. Meaning you are needed in the space. You don't have to rush things just because when desperation is holding you there.
njengawe
Sonke sidesperate.
lama-scammer vele if you're destined to be scammed basazokuscammer
Mina basazoskema njengami akusiwoqala. Basazoskema ayokudlala, but my thing is I'm so not of a prostitute to just allow anything that just comes. I do whatever that I have to do and find if is this valid or not. That's why nakusiphen pending closing it. I might get 1,000 messages, but not everybody is gonna be the person that is supposed to be. Bathi modimo tla go tlisetsa batho ba gago.
modimo o tla go tlisetsa
You
batho
understand?
ba
Le
gago
17 le hambile ngifuna ukuthi mayifika la mina shamele ngiyithole lo. There's actually something I want to ask. Are you that desperate ukuthi ngeze oh sorry
Yaqoshwa.
ngizalana.
Yaqoshwa.
Qoshiwe.
scam
And maybe imali chomi
Ah,
013.
scam nikeza uRebecca kuphendulele Rebecca
Rebecca bamba kanje.
mara still man yazi desperation wena
Yana ngiyabakwishisha ne, but I'm trying to campaign elindaba yokuthi can we not be so desperate to actually forget ukuthi somebody has to start from 0 and Isaac Gios. Nathi siku 0, 1 and 3.
no
Sijump to 2.
mara iphuzu you know ukubekezela kuyanceda you understand
Kakhulu.
because even thina la sikhona manje asifikanga lula.
Yeah, I
we
understand.
had ama-headlines sisatshayisana namaboda saxabana nabantu abanye abasikhulumisi
Njengalomfonele ne.
as it is but still siyaqhubeka you understand
Njengalenhleve
manje iziskema zohlala zikhona but you know khona omunye umuntu engicabanga mina ukuthi bam-expose waba iskema
Ubani lo Joe?
lapho emadla was it the ad hoc ubani umama lo uMary the Haas
Mara wo.
uMary the Haas the biggest Yeah.
Noma mu right ekhanda.
angazi angisho that is why ngithi mina masikhuluma ngezikema
University Ntontoni.
ishile university
Marubuza mina. Angimazi mina ngimnyama
Asicheck uza siyambamba according to ilo kanje Wikipedia ithi nathi sibo siyashaya. Mary de Haas is a South African anthropologist, political violence monitor and human rights documented and defended, known for her decades long work documenting political violence in KwaZulu Natal. De Haas has made national headlines in South Africa in November when she testified before a parliamentary ad hoc committee about why she had backed the suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu controversial order to disband a team investigating political cases. This is according to Wikipedia.
Like I'm trying to understand something.
Yes.
For her to have so much power that she says something and a whole police minister do it, like, does she really have so much power? And then Wafik, angazi if wombugela lo mama, there was a part where they were like, yabona nangazi umchuni one day ne mangahlangana naye nkosi yamcela ukumbuza ukuthi kwayena ekhanda ku right yini ukambona uGehazi na, for him to have so much trust in her, because lo mama bathi we are going on a 15 minutes break. Yazi wathini? Mr. Mphathi, is it possible that I can visit my family member and then come back? Yena nasibhizi la. Shuthi ngise bonke nabulwana badiyana namuhla sinenkinga eshasha.
La ngibona khona ukuthi ngathi azidonwe. What was she doing next to the chair? The chair like.
Kan wayivela hlelapha. No, like in base ngeke studio sakhe lapha.
No, she had her own chair.
So yena lapha bokwe.
You see the biggest scam Mary de Haas. You see mara bafethu fana.
Guys, akuna home lapha eCape Town esingambeka khona uhlale home.
Lo muntu lo ufundile manje.
Lo muntu lo mntana and yabona lokufunda kakhulu.
She's a trained anthropologist. Completed postgraduate studies in social anthropology.
Anthropology futhi.
Yes. Her academic focus contributed to
her. Anthropology asidluliseni.
Anthropology. I did the anthropology. I studied the anthropology, but some. I studied anthropology, but that was not. You see, this is too food. I remember I studied anthropology. I also did philosophical anthropology. I studied anthropology. No. Mara
when I anthropology bowenzelani. Benifundani? Bofundela ukuphasa.
Oh yeah, now iawaseliyabuya mangibheka la. Study of human societies and cultures and their development.
Oh, it's more like an economist trick. Same thing that I'm telling you about.
Yes.
Mara, no man. kukole man kukole man
Yazi mina ngizibonela ubani la.
kukole no
Uyakhumbula le cartoon le bantu bani uLive X. Is it Live X?
mara na chomi awusi 1k wena umdala kakhulu
Ulive X man. Ulive X man ithi ngimlo kanje la.
ufuna lo Live ngicela ukubona uLive X chomi
Ulive X. Oh yeah.
aw Live X ke washing red
Ima. Live. Yabona nani yabo?
uyana
Mina ngizibonela ya ngizokuthumela nje stop. Ngizibonela Live X. But ke
mina mama lo ngistressil ukuthi vela belungu mabaguga baso
mina you see I'm still trying to understand namanje ngiyabuza yonke lento le. Like she was throwing tantrums. Why throwing ama tantrums? And leso sikhathi leso she was suggested by uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
no yazi mina ngifunde njani kuNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ne yabona uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi his mind is very I think usebenze kakhulu nezigebengu to an extent that we don't read his mind. The reason why he was saying ezelapha it was so we can see lo Mary Magdalene esimbona lapha ukuthi is not Magdalene ngahle man. Because uthe Mavela wonke umuntu I think the first question I asked ukuthi lo mama vele iTwitter uyazi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi vele ngoba uyashake nanoma khuluma like utype njani like ukudisbandisa njani into because she can't even stand the ground ukuthi
kahle
ngisapha kuyibuza because mina ijele yabona abantu baba sentence la
cha mina
sentence
ngiyabuza cha lezinye izinto like yabona ilento ngisho ukuthi
allegedly akaphilanga kahle
ezinye zezinto siyasaba ukukhuluma ngazo lekhathi ngishizo masicala la ile ngecaleni oro ngazi benikhuluma nobani into enye into esenza ukuthi sithule kakhulu siyasaba ukukhuluma
mina angisakhuluma mara eqinisweni lo mama lawyer it's a red reflection and for a minister to actually take things from
ngaleyo ndlela
Magdalena lawyer ne awu minister makahlale phansi cabanga ayikho into ayenza akayazi mandate yakhe he doesn't know the power he holds
amthembe ngaleyo ndlela
no awu yena beka wrong kakhulu cabanga isikole siphumile lapha phela
yabona it's really happening and
mara yamazi lo mama ungathi akagamanga ekuseni mayiphuma
mina bengimangele musi
like nokuthi agcoka into ready it was worse like isikole siphumile
and sekungathi bamhlupha bengathi bamshaya
yazi ungathi uphuma gijima endlini angazi ukuthi ifamily uyicabanga njani because wona chomi wena buyapi
khona iphathi engichazile mina mabathi state your name and then whatever I swear to tell the truth that state your name angazi lo chairperson uphinda kaningi khona yaphithizela lapho kuma TikTok and stuff but your name nayo his name like ngathi uzenza ibhari man ngathi uzenza ibhari lo mama lona
no but I feel like umkhwanazi yamazi that's why bekathi lo muntu makeze wenzeka ngabonga
mina ethi
and uchaza ukuthi yabona mina it actually made me question a lot of things ukuthi kahle South Africa do the people that are actually sitting la kule ihlalo banazo understand the power that they have and understand ufana na ubaba sendlini
yes
imagine as ubaba sendlini and then now you'll have to listen you forget your role as the head now you'll have to listen umakhi makakutshela izinto and then when you do decisions because umakhi ukutshela lezi zinto lezi maye uyabona ukuthi sikuphi la
lana siphila kwenye movie nethi unfortunately sihleli nomjida wethu lana uproducer ama movie ethu adlalile kuMzansi manje siyokhipha amanye ke because now really you see I don't know
mina ngoba ngiye lo bond cela ukuba uMary Magdalena lo
movie
ngiye lo bond
utanga ukhiphila ama movie remember ngisho utanga ukhiphila ama movie ethu ayadlala eTV
ohleli la kuba ngise TV
filmmaker bro dale ngicheck ne lokho sele siyofuna bongami mhlambe or
mina niwanifuna ungami
no sokuthatha simfaka imakeup simfaka imakeup baqeda lapho
ngimhlophe already musi ngisafuna imakeup enjani epale
mina ngicela ukudlala uBrown
mara guys Brown mukhoti yazi isuit yakhe malini and ugcoke blue njengayo
ngicela ukudlala uBrown nangifanele na
ya ngakufanela cho yazi ufana naye njani mase ngibheke kahle lempumulo ngicela uku-understand so Brown Mukhoti is saying he's an intelligent ntontoni, crime ntontoni and whatnot. Kanti umchuna akasho ukuthi uBrown yena bekethingis arch.
Brown Coats is not only alleged to have advanced knowledge, none. Yimpi.
And bathi yena.
Uthi agent, huh?
Uthi agent.
So asichazeni lo agent. What's
So
an
mina
agent?
ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi sharp guys. Hleli la. Umchulu ucamba manga. Usibiya ucamba manga. Abubani bani bacamba manga. Ucele ngazizicela. Ucele ucamba manga wathi angimtsibi. And if you look at it, it seems like uBrown Mokgotsi has been in the game for so long. You understand? Because makayichaza uthi yena is a mpimpi for years. Since phela ubala ukuthi 2012 mola berina licele. So uchomi since yena uBrown uthengisa iarcha yonke leminyaka.
Yeah.
Uvele ngesuit ye 27,000.
But
Ipolka never die baba.
mina
Kingi Scotch never die.
Scotch never die.
Yeah, ilento go Rebecca Scotch never die.
Mina it breaks my heart ngokubona izinto zenzeka the way zenzeka ngakhona South Africa, to tell you the honest truth. And it's like even us as South Africans, we are entertaining them, and this is that we are not even aware what we are entertaining our own doom.
But do you understand that one thing about SA, we are siyaphila nje.
Now a problem
Siyaphila
with us
nje.
as South Africans, siyaphila nje.
South Africa mawunomsebenzi life goes on.
Yonke into yethu siyajiva.
Whether ukhona 5,000 ngiyakutshela ukuthi ucele amaclip wakhe sewayijoke.
Alright.
But we forgot the reason why.
And once upon a
it
time
actually
ucele
started.
bekayini emaphoyiseni manje.
Bekayiminister ke.
Minister yamaphoyisa ne
Yes.
waba ugeneral futhi ne wamaphoyisa ne
Mamela.
manje makakhuluma izinto uyabona ukuthi kuyaphetha manje ubani usenza umchunu yini minister bekayiminister ngisho bamsuspenda with pay yamaphoyisa ne bese uyahamba futhi lapha ku TikTok pass out yamaphoyisa uyibonile
Kwenzakala nje.
ubonile pass out yamaphoyisa bayishaya maceda lapho gumba I would like real amaphoyisa amaphoyisa there's future generals, future lieutenants, future whatever position emaphoyiseni agumba
Uribe kunomngane wephoyisa. Ugaya vlog nanoma bagijima
Ah. You see, that's why I'm saying ukuthi mina la eMzansi yonke into
Angeke ngikhiphe igama lakhe
no,
marubo yavloga nanoma bagijima isitsotsi. Mamelani guys kuphi la?
ucheck la ku TikTok nami babhalile lapha pass out badrilla maceda lapha
Bese maceda imagine benithi upastor amikise abantu police station nomuntu loyo.
upastor bekayofika nalezandla ezigamlile lapha afika bathi abakhombe ngalezandla ezigamukile ashaye gumba as in mina Sheila, I think that is all that we have for this week. Mina ngigrand mfethu angifuni mabasibona wathi lezi zithi umfundisi ugamla izandla zakamahlanje wazinikeza amaphoyisa zayenza bagumba 013 golden second bafethu.
Woo!
Abatshela abantu ukuthi they shouldn't forget to like.
By
and
the way,
subscribe.
guys, one thing that we forgot to say is our name today. My name is Sheila Matabo, your
Yeah.
girl Sip and Paint host, and we are the Golden Circle Lifestyle. Kana ki lifestyle intro.
Moonlight lifestyle.
Awa mara why moonlight?
Moonlight lifestyle. On that note, sakhuluma nge-Moonlight lifestyle. Kunama awards
Yes.
that will be happening here in Moonlight lifestyle on the 13th of December. Dima,
Chomo manje
konje ma award wani? Roses versus Stones Awards. They will be hosted here in Moonlight Lifestyle by Lady D. So we hope to see you. Ukuthi nizobe nikhona.
Imano Lady D akekho ku Radio FM. Akusuyi.
Nangu Lady D lo sihleli nayo lawo ku FM radio.
Yeah.
Niwacho mangisho Lady D.
Yeah, but then Moonlight is hosting telling you.
Can I
Roses and
ask a
Thorns
question?
Awards.
Roses and thorns.
Roses
But
and
let me
Thorns
ask
Awards
a
on the
question.
30th.
What is the awards about? Ubani uza every day. Ubani uphuza kakhulu. Ubani spenda kakhulu.
Information, you know what?
Or should we have information? But by the time we add the next one, I think the
Sondela.
Lady D way to Google the cameras.
Sondela.
Okay, please do join us on the 13th of December as we're gonna be having awards with our Lady D of the house.
You see,
please
boys-
welcome our Lady D, and
Lady
she's gonna
D.
be telling us about the awards.
Mina ngiyashifta. Mina ngiyashifta, Lady D,
When I shift
come,
Asana,
come.
let me ask my Lady D about the awards. Look at her. Guys, actually she has an installation for the day. Please give it to the Lady D.
Hey, Asana.
Hi, sis Lady D.
Hi.
Thank you for the drinks, by the way. Yeah.
Should I mention? No, but pleasure.
No,
pleasure.
basiphatana. And ngumfundisi esontweni ngeze kubanje ngamawashini. But no guys, it's nothing incriminating. But by the way, apparently we're having awards. Not apparently. We're having awards in the house. What are the awards about?
Okay, I'm awards way too. It's purely it's a concept that started. I think it's now 7 years. Our 7 year.
7 Chomi.
Yeah. So we've been doing it in November, between November and October.
Okay.
And then what we do is we call it's Roses versus Thorns.
Yes.
So each genre yakhona is soul and R&B.
Okay.
Where we take this year we actually did it in 5 weeks. The other is no, thank you.
Oh, come on now.
No, thank you.
What are they about?
I just want to take you back
Yeah.
so that you get
People trying to
the
get us
background
back,
around it.
yeah.
Yeah. So it was versus Stones when it started. We'll do it one Sunday in a month.
Okay.
Which normally we used to host it on October or November.
Yeah.
So we'll take DJs, 10 DJs female, 10 DJs male. Then they compete amongst each other.
Okay.
So whoever wins on the day, so the pair a winner gets awarded. So we used to do it on the days on a day in question.
Okay.
So now we saw the demand. Genre ye soul and R&B iyakhula bo DJ wakhona sebabaningi kakhulu, like we can't even do a lineup but okay this is the lineup we can host this year. So I felt just to accommodate, let's just split it in 5 weeks, which we did that in November. So end of November, I think this will be our last week.
Okay.
We every Tuesday we announce our winners.
Okay.
It's just that I don't have a poster. What's meaning?
Please do send it to our guy.
Yeah.
So that he can put it on
So
the group.
last week we hosted. Our winners were last week. Hitman, no Amanda. So those are the
Are
two.
we allowed to have maybe your winner for the award as in like the interview or something? Can you speak to your person so that we can know much about where she or he started and whatnot? Would love to host the person.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that. I'll
Yes.
appreciate that now myself.
Yes.
Would say after the awards, okay.
Give them
Now I'm going
awards.
to the awards, the Holges, awards. So what's happening is we're gonna have it's gonna be 10 in
10.
total, 10 DJs,
Okay.
5 females and 5
Males.
males.
Yes.
So those are gonna be our DJs for the day.
Yeah.
We'll have people like Amaruls way too. That makes you to be part of the lineup as well. You need to have your sequencing must be on point.
Are you good in music?
I'm a DJ. Yeah, I'm also
Okay.
an R&B DJ. So angeke ngithi good le nto le mhlawumbe ngasho about D yabo because
Good, okay.
so we look at your sequencing
Yeah.
ukuthi modlala izingoma which how your entire sequencing, and then secondly we look at your storytelling. So mengabe ukhuluma if you play if your set must entail us, it must tell us
There's
ukuthi
a
okay
story during a set.
yeah phela
Yenzani
ku
kanti
set
ngaku DJ?
kuset phela mele usho ukuthi you are heartbroken, and the more heartbroken who's gonna ease your pain, you understand? Angeke ube all over manje sositshela ukuthi you are hurt, the next thing you are in love, the next thing you know why sengijabulile yabo. So you need to tell us a story.
Okay.
Yabo. And it's also important for people to relate on your music. Okay, when you play this type of, let's say udlala your bubble gum. Bubble gum, like bubble gum, Luther or TP. It doesn't make sense. So those are one of the things that we look at, and then we look at your crowd, how your crowd responds.
Okay.
Yeah, because a crowd speaks to the value of the business. Okay. If your crowd is panting, interacting, is next, then the bar now you complain, the buy quiet.
Okay.
Yeah, so those are basically that. So we're gonna have ours way too on the 13th of December. La Moonlight, I see it dropping. See La Moonlight. Maybe like to susa zonke lezitulo sifaka ama round table. It's gonna be a nice one. It's an all black tie actually. Yeah, it's black tie. Sorry.
The caution.
No, not even. As a black tie, I say modified. Yeah, it's modified. I'm not Morocco very not as groove an hour like Moonlight on a Sunday, but yeah, when I would say this is quite nice.
Tommy, can I take a Moonlight to Vulan in Valanin? Like when are the dates and whatnot?
Okay, in Moonlight it traded from Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
And so since now it's peak.
Okay.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday, Mondays and. But for people like you guys, since in host Alana and Moonlight, like 013 Golden Circle, we host every Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday. We hope nani nizoba nale umflow ukuthi ni invite abantu so that nami because I cater yabo cater. Just abantu abayi10 mabafikile, then you get your njana namhlanje ready, so you get your soup yabo. So nani hamba nofuna ama sponsor ukuthi abantu mabazile, you make sure they've got a meal after you interview.
The followers and subscribers of the 013.
Stand by supporting Shem. Nathi siyazama. Shem. Ba supporting Shem. But just leyo donation leyo i-bribe pack nyana. Cabanga umfundisi a whole Pastor Glenn azohlala la I-interview the next thing. Angabi nekeke or amakuku. Ngisho abafundisi badla amakuku. So
she concludes. So you said the DJs are male and female, right?
Yes.
So who are the roses? Who are the thorns? How did the name come about?
Yeah, how did the name come about?
Okay, roses are ladies, and the thorns are guys.
Why son?
No, we understand.
Yeah, no, but
okay, tell us.
Yeah. Purple profile picture there, very much of a thorn. We understand that, but I'm joking.
Yeah. So it was the name that I actually started. Roses versus thorns, because some thorns I'm sure they're hard.
Yeah.
And the roses are soft.
Yes.
And the thorns are within the roses.
Yeah. So it's them. I'm actually the hard part. Is the hard part.
And my heartbreak.
Well, my thorns are heartbreak.
No, yes, in a score right wing my thorn. And no we keep a gunzim. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching us. Please do subscribe and love us and share with your friends and family. We hope today we gave you guys something to learn about, and please don't forget to come at Moonlight on the 13th, as we are having a night to celebrate or a day to celebrate. Please do come and join us for that event. We'll also be there, and please tell us how much or which DJ you want to be, you want them to win. As for us, this is Sheila Matabo, the Witbank Sip and Paint host. Love you lot. Mwah.
Thank you.